Today we're tackling the financial blunders you must dodge in your 20s and 30s to secure your financial future. Don't miss out on these essential tips. Avoid the trap of trendy spending. Remember, affording monthly payments isn't the same as affording the total cost. Budget wisely and differentiate between needs and wants. High-interest debt from credit cards can become a financial nightmare. Stick to a budget that includes savings and use credit wisely to keep debt manageable. Don't postpone dealing with your debt, it only grows through interest. Use the snowball method to tackle debts strategically and reduce them quicker. Prepare for the unexpected with an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. Also, start saving for retirement now. Every little bit counts, especially with employer match programs. Think investing is just for the rich. Think again. Start small with index funds or ETFs and grow your wealth over time thanks to compound interest. Set and prioritize your financial goals from buying a home to planning retirement. Clear goals keep you focused and motivated. Avoid these blunders to keep your finances on track. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more guidance, and share your top financial goal in the comments. See you in the next video.